The best word to describe Dickinson would be home. I'm from California, so it's a very far away space from where I grew up. Pretty much everyone from my high school stays in California and goes to one of the UCs or Cal States. I was one of the few that chose not to. I was really worried that Carlisle would be totally opposite and I would hate living in a kind of smaller town community, but I've really enjoyed it. The restaurants are fantastic here, probably better than the Bay Area actually, I would argue. There's also lots of places to go shopping. We're near a lot of major cities like Philly and New York and DC. The biggest challenge was probably the weather. I was used to dry heat, but the snow, the first snow of the year, my first year, was incredible.
It's so incredible. Oh, this is so great.
I got 8 or 9 phone calls from my friends telling me to look outside, and we played in the snow for well over an hour. So definitely an adjustment, but honestly, I think the best decision I've made was decide to leave my home area and come somewhere and be completely independent. And if you're going to try to do that for the first time, Dickinson is absolutely the place that will support you in this process during and after your experience here.